In this video, I'll show you how to make an image or object glow in Canva using the glow outline effect. First, open Canva and create a new design or open your existing project. Upload your image or choose one from the Elements tab and place it on the canvas. Next, select the image and click Edit Photo from the top menu. If your image has a background, choose Background Remover and remove the background so the glow effect looks clean. Now, with the image still selected, scroll down in Edit Photo and click Shadows. Choose Glow from the options. After that, increase the size to control the glow thickness, adjust the blur for softness, and change the color to match your design. Increase transparency if you want a subtle glow, or lower it for a stronger effect. If you want a stronger, solid outline, apply the outline effect. Increase the size to control the thickness, change the color to match your design, and play with the intensity slider. You can also use the duotone effect. Finally, adjust the position and glow settings until it looks clean and balanced. Once you're happy with the result, download your design. That's how you create a glow effect outline on images or objects in Canva. Quick, simple, and professional. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.